Assalamualaikum. Today let's do spicy creamy shrimp pasta. I have here half pound of shrimps. We will marinate it with cumin, oregano, thyme, paprika, garlic powder and cayenne pepper. We will add some oil and mix it well. Saucepan, we throw generous amount of olive oil. We saute our shrimp 2-3 minutes. Now we set it aside, guys. Same pan, more oil. A lot of garlic in. We add shallot, parsley hard-earned, chili flakes, gochujang paste, some cream, pasta water. We add some cheese, shrimp back, pasta we boiled earlier in. Now to our plating, guys. More cheese, parsley flakes. Enjoy!